Choice today with the 2017 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, rear spoiler, brake assist, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, sunroof package, technology package, Sirius satellite radio, keyless start. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.